is Rachel getting in the pool for the first time. It's Mother's Day. It's at Mimi and Papa's house.
See, tell me when her feet touch.
Yeah, touch. She's gonna stick her face in there. It's water!
Stretch it out. Whoosh!
Kick your feet! Kick your feet!
Are you moving?
Kick your feet!
Rachel B.
Oh, she could be pretty big and grow. She can grow into that for a while. Look at her kicking her feet. Kick your feet! Kick, Rachel! I gotta get my camera charged as I have it.
Kick so you can get to Daddy.
Kick your feet.
I got one right there, right there.
Whee! Want to see the ball?